Oh.
Are you okay?
She got a piece of tape stuck on her leg.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Can somebody tell my dog to stop throwing her ball in here?
This is me as a potato, but look at my cat is a potato.
Ты в свободное время чем обычно занимаешься? В какое? Ну, в свободное. Это в какое?
A little lower. Now open your mouth. Now give me a corkscrew. Yes! You're a queen. Now hold it. Oh, yes, yes, I love it. You're gonna be on the front cover of Cat of the Year. Oh!
Hey!
Handsome? Would you like a treat? Wow.
And we're walking here, we're cooking people.
Am I walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you, okay.
Oh my gosh.
Sit! Good boy. Good boy. Axel, come here. Oh.
Ew! Look at you.
Why is it spicy?
Hi! Hi! Good morning! Get up.
Stop messing with me.
Oh my gosh, Kitty, are you okay?
That's my pillow. I know you're awake. Wilma.
We've been trying to contact.
You gotta lay it down. You're a jerk. You're ruining my...
Gary!
Stop now.
Oh shit! Whoa, what a cat!
You are toast. You are toast when I say you're toast. When you're toast.
Oh, that's funny.
Ow! What you doing?
Some mango. Oh. I was not expecting that. Oh, you like mango.
No. 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 Yes. Yes. Oh. It's so difficult. Oh shit. Yes. Oh.
Just another day, gonna move my car. Oh, what's this? We buy jump. Oh man, what's wrong with my car?
What are you doing, Ripley? Where do you think you're going?
Say, if you spill the food, you have to pick it up too. I am not gonna be feeding you if you're not picking it up too. Every single last drop you have to put in there. What'd you do?
Right choices. I feel like everybody's been bullied at one point in their life. Bullied, because
Peanut.
Huele bien feo, mira, huélelo. Mira, huélelo. Fúchila, huele a pedo. Ay, no, sácate pues.
I'm coming for you! No, no, no.
Money!
No.
Meow. Meow. Hi, Zoe. Show me something you regret getting and what you turned it into.
Hey, drop it. Hey, drop it. Oh my God, drop it.
You okay? Oh, the cat. Yeah, she's annoying.
Roof!
Do you need something?